Hey there, Jody here. Going to answer a little question about crypto. I was asked if it's a good strategy to kind of look at trading volume and what cryptos are having the most trading volume and possibly use that as a criteria to invest. So, so I'm going to talk a little bit about that. I would say the short answer to that question is no. I wouldn't use trading volume myself as a criteria for investing. But let's talk a little bit about the coins that currently are in the top trading volume, at least right now. I'm looking at a list here, and we have Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, USD, Doge, First Digital, XRP, Pepe. So those are like top 9 or 10. So if you look at that, that makes sense to me. You got like three super mega caps: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Now, long-term investments, most people would say those are pretty good, but Bitcoin is in my opinion, and many opinion, in its own category, kind of like a new version of gold. It's not really like a business per se. Ethereum and Solana are layer one cryptos and potentially will evolve into large businesses. They actually have revenue, they make revenue for on chain transactions and so on. And other businesses are building their businesses in those ecosystems. So while those are the top three, mega cap sort of cryptos there, they're different kinds of investments. So there you go. Just using trading volume as a criteria doesn't necessarily, it's not an apples to apples thing. Now let's move down the list. We have Tether and USDC. Those are both stable coins. Those always have lots of trading volume because they're kind of like the equivalent of cash. And often when you're buying into crypto or selling out or even trading, you might go in and out of USDC or Tether. You might hold funds in those coins as though they're cash. So they're not really an investment. They're more of a place to hold the equivalent of cash. Then you see Doge and Pepe. Now those are meme coins. So those coins really exist just for people to trade and make money on. There is no underlying business there, at least as of yet, but they have lots of trading volume because people hear about them. Like my mom even told me that Burger King was giving away Dogecoin with purchases. So if you jump into Doge or Pepe, your money could disappear very quickly, though it could also increase very quickly. But I think if you're not a professional trader and you don't know how to swing trade momentum, you definitely don't want to get involved in meme coins unless you're willing to lose the money. I mean, crypto in general as an asset class is very risky, and because even though it will be the future and there are burgeoning and small versions of businesses there, it's like the dot-com boom of the 90s. A lot of these companies don't even make money. They're just dreams and stories right now. Meme coins literally are just stories. They're literally just press stories practically. So trading volume, again, in summary, in my opinion, is not really a metric to use for gauging if an investment is a good investment when it comes to crypto. But hey, it is a metric that is worth looking at for some purposes for sure. But I wouldn't make your investment decisions on trading volume alone. So there you go. Talk to you later. Hi, thanks so much for checking out this video. I really appreciate it. I also wanted to let you know about our new course, the Financial Independence Roadmap 2.0 Masterclass. It's an easy to follow guide on how to do personal finance the right way from top to bottom. So if you're looking to get your financial act together, this course will make it so much easier. I hope you check it out. There's a link in the description below. See you in the next video.